Hello everyone, this is Pranesh from SNS Institution, and in this video we will see about system design. Whenever we hear the word system design, many of us think it is a difficult topic meant only for experienced software engineers, but that is not true. Let me explain it with simple example. Imagine your college is planning to build a new library. Will the worker starts laying bricks immediately? Definitely not. First, architects prepare a complete plans showing the entrance, reading halls, bookshelves, emergency exits, lighting and seating arrangement. This plans helps everyone understand what needs to be built and avoids costly mistakes later. Software development follows the same idea. Before writing code, developers needs a clear plan for how different parts of an application will work together. That planning process is called as system design. Now think about applications like WhatsApp, Amazon or Swiggy. Every second, thousands of users send messages, place orders and make payments. If these applications were built without a proper planning, they would become slow, crash frequently, or lose important data. A good system design ensures the application remains fast, secure, reliable, and easy to improve as more users join. It is not just about technology, it's about solving problem even before they happen. As future developers, you should develop the habit of thinking before coding. Whenever you start a project, ask yourself simple questions. Who will use this application? What features are needed? Where will be the data will be stored? How will users interact with the system? These questions help build software better from the beginning. So always remember, good coding creates a future, but good design creates a successful application. Every great software product starts with a great plan. So and that is why learning DSA and system design is an essential skill for building a project. When we build a small college project, it may work perfectly with 10 or 20 users. But imagine the same application being used by 1 lakh people at the same time. What do you think will happen? The application may become slow, users may not be able to log in, and in some cases it may even stop working. This is where system design becomes important. It helps us build software that can easily handle growth without affecting the user experience. So let us understand, or let us take the example of online ticket booking application. Suppose tickets for a popular movie are exactly released at 10 a.m. Within a few seconds, thousands of people try to book the same seats. If the application is not designed properly, two people may end up booking the same seats, or the payment may become completed without confirming the ticket. A well-designed software system prevents these problems by managing requests correctly and ensuring that every user gets the right response. The same idea applies to food delivery apps, banking applications, hospital management systems, and even college portals. Every application has different users, different requirements, and different challenges. A developer should not think only about writing code, but also about how the application will behave after it is launched. Will it remain fast? Will user data will be safe? Can new features can be added easily in the future? These are the questions that system design helps answer. So whenever you start developing any software, don't ask only, can I build this? Also ask, can this application work efficiently when thousands of people use it? The simple change in thinking separates a programmer from a software engineer. Good software is not only about working today, it should continue working efficiently as the number of users and the amount of data keep growing. Let us end this session with one important mindset that every software engineer should develop. Before writing your first line of code, always spend a few minutes understanding the problem. Many beginners are excited to start coding immediately, but experienced developers first analyze the situations. Imagine someone asks you to build an online shopping application. Instead of opening your code editor, start by thinking about the users. Customers should be able to search for products and add them into a cart, make payments and track their orders. Shop owners should be able to add products, update prices, and manage stock. Delivery partners should receive a delivery request and update the order delivery status. When you identify these requirements first, the coding process becomes much easier. Now imagine that after 6 months, the applications becomes popular and thousands of people start using it every day. If software was designed properly from the beginning, adding new features like coupons, product reviews, or live order tracking becomes much simpler. But if everything connected without planning, even a small change can create an unexpected problem in the many places. This is why companies invest time in planning before development. System design is not only about drawing complex diagrams or using difficult technical terms. It's about thinking logically, organizing ideas, and creating software that solves problems if effectively. So every applications that we use today started with some understanding the problem clearly before writing code. So as you continue your journey in this software development, build the habit of planning first and coding next. The simple practice will save time, reduce errors, improve teamwork, and help you create applications that are reliable, scalable, and ready for real-world users. That is the truth purpose of that is the true purpose of system design, and its a skill is very important for a developer that should be mastered.